Hey, what's up? Earn $50 to $100 per day with absolutely no website. So I'm going to show you how to make some money online. So if this is your first time here, welcome to my YouTube channel. I talk about how to make money online, affiliate marketing, and just different ways that I can share my knowledge with you so you can go out there and you can crush it right away. So if you're brand new, let me know in the comments where you're watching this from. For my regulars, happy to have you here. It's always good to have my subscribers watching my videos over and over again. So let me know in the comments. Ask any questions if you like to. Someone asked me if I could create a Facebook ad video. I do have a Facebook ad video. So if you scroll down at the bottom of my other videos, you'll see I did a conversion ad from scratch. It's about 16 to 20 minutes of video that I go into details and I share with you. So once you watch that video, you can get started right away. So I'm going to jump into things. So I'm going to show you how you can earn $50 to $100 per day with absolutely no website. So I'm going to share with you and show you this method from scratch. So let's jump into it. So I'm going to share with you some of the tools that I'm going to be using. And these tools, they're free. Some of them are apps that you could download if you got a desktop, or you can download them on your phone. So it doesn't matter if you got a phone or a laptop, you could do this. The good thing about this method, it's absolutely free. It's just going to require your time to do it. So if you don't have a lot of time, if you don't spend too much time on this, you're not going to get the results that you're looking for. I'm just being straight up. So as long as you apply what I teach you and you be consistent, you can earn $50 to $100 just by doing this method. So what I'm going to share with you is Instagram. And most of you are not using Instagram effectively. This doesn't have to do with shout out. You don't have to create your own content. We're going to find content on other platforms. Use that content, put it on our platform, and I'm going to share with you how you can earn $50 to $100 per day. So the first thing you want to do, I'm looking into the sporting niche, and sport niche is a hit. So many people like sport, but so many people are not making the money, especially for affiliate marketers and people who are just starting online. It is an untouched niche where you can dominate because there's sports season that is seasonal. However, it's something that people always pay attention to throughout the entire year. So we're not going to go in a specific sport. We're generally going to do a sporting event. So anything to do with sport, you're going to add it. So I checked out this account. It's called Sport, right? Sports. And they got like giveaway. They got like OBJ type beat. You know, they put some shoes up there, people dancing. There's game going on. There's basketball. There's so many different type of sports that are been listed on here. There's some funny stuff of people doing some outdoors. So this is great. So this particular Instagram page is going viral. It is going viral. There's a lot of information on here that you could take, and you could come on here and you could snatch it. Now, the tool that I use to download pictures or videos from desktop is a tool that is called Insta Downloader. On your phone, you could search on your phone for some downloader for video or pictures on Instagram. So once you do that, the next thing you want to do, you want to find these content. Now, there's so many different things that you could do. You could go and you can find content on blogs. You can go to Google. You can find a lot of different things that people share on here. But I always come to Instagram because the method I'm going to share with you can be done through Instagram. So once you come on here, you want to start to download these things. So if you click on this, right, this right here has over 67,000 views, 74 comments. There's people clicking on here. So with Instagram, if you look right here, this is a bit.ly link. Now, I'm going to check it out and see exactly where it takes me. Now, this took me directly over to TikTok. So you all know what TikTok is. TikTok is an app which you can do. It's a funny app. People are using it. I can guarantee you that this person right here that refer this, they have a special code. So each time people download or click on something, they're probably gonna get money from it. With a followers of $1.9 million, they're making money using this. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna build an Instagram account. Then where we're gonna find the offer, we're gonna come over to Clickbank. Now, most of you probably say, well, Clickbank, they have a lot of they have a lot of products. Some of them are outdated. Some of them still don't work. Let me tell you, they still work. And if you use it effectively, you can make money doing this as well. So what you could do, you could tap into the sport, into the sporting niche. Games, not games. Where is it? Sports. So right down here, there are so many different type of sports that is located. So on here. Now there's a few different things. You can promote one by one in your, right here in your description, or you can just create a WordPress sheet, just a one-page sheet, and you can put all the type of links in there. Meaning, it's just a one-page sheet. You can get reviews from these companies. So this one is an automotive. So this is like VinCheck Pro. I'm going to click on it. I'm going to look at it. So this right here. So this is like a VinCheck Pro. You know, people check their VIN. This always sell because guess what? People always want to check to make sure that the vehicles are not stolen, or they want to search, they want to run the vehicle. So people will buy this, right? Even though this is automotive, but it's still sport. But what if you post some race cars and that? It's still a sport. You could still do a review on here. And if you look at the gravity, there's over 24 sales have made. It's a you make $7 from this. Now I'm going to show you some more. Now you can click on the basketball one. If you click on the basketball one, this right here, point guard. So if you click on point guard, you see that this guy right here is selling stuff about basketball. Yours at $37. So people are buying this. If you click on the checkout, right, $37. If you go on here, how much do you get for the sale? You get $31, right? $31 for the sale. When the client paid 37, you get 31. That's not bad. That's like 70% of the sale right there. So once you figure out and you start to post on your page, start to build your page, start going into details, you make it look good. You can even put some of these as well, right? And start growing. Use 27 to 30 different hashtags. Keep pumping out. You post at least 5 to 6 times a day just by doing that. And once you start to do that, you're going to see traction, because when you're going to start a brand new Instagram account, it's way better to start out fresh and to start on one that you already have. I'm telling you, I've grown a few different Instagram accounts from scratch, and right now my personal account is stuck. I don't even know what's wrong with it. I'm going to slap it a few different times to get it to start to work again. But you get the idea where I'm going, right? Come on here, grab your affiliate link. Once you generate the link, you're going to copy this link. And then once you copy the link, you're going to go to bit.ly.com. It's free. And then you just paste your affiliate link in here, right? Or you can create that WordPress blog and then paste your WordPress blog link in there. So that's all you got to do, is start to crank content out. And that's how you can earn, like, you know, make money online. You can earn $50 to $100 just by promoting this with absolutely no website. So all you got to do is start your Instagram account, start getting people to like, subscribe, point them to the actual offer. Every time you post something, you said, check the link in the description. People will run over it and just start clicking away. So yes, Clickbank still works. I know most of you are saying it doesn't work. It does work, but some of you are not using it effectively. Some of you post a few different times, you ain't getting the results. You said, well, I've tried so many different things and it doesn't work. Stick to one thing, get really good at it, and see if it doesn't pay out. Don't lose focus. Because if I did lose focus, I wouldn't be making the money that I'm making right now. But the thing is, I stick to one thing and I get really good at it. So that's what I'm telling you right now. Get good at something, pick it, run with it, and you will see how your income goes. So thanks for watching that video. Check out my #1 recommendation in the description. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.